And here we are, part 2. So we are up to number 13. It says find the circumference of each of these circles. And for part A, you're going to leave it as pi as 22 over 7. And for B, you're going to just leave pi as pi. Easy peasy. So it's circumference, which means what? Remember, circumference is pi times diameter. So this one says it's 21, but that's not my diameter, is it? That's just the radius. So the diameter would be twice that. So it'd be 42, right? So I have over here 42 over 1 times 22 over 7. Can 7 go into 42? Yes, it can. How many times? 6. So I'm going to have, let's see, that would be 12, 132 meters, and that's it, because it's just circumference. B is 20 millimeters, but leave pi as pi. These are so easy when you leave pi, so you just go 20 times pi millimeters. That's it. That's all there is to it. All right. Oh, your favorite, guys, your favorite. So 1/6 we have to make into a decimal. How do you do that? You divide 6 into 1. So 6 goes into 1. Well, it can't, but it can go into 10 once. Get a 6. Got a 4. Can it go into 40? Yeah, so how many times? 5, 6, 7, 6. Would be 36. Look, we're going to keep getting 40, so I'm going to put 4 over 6, which is really going to be... Oh, no. Keep going. Wait, 164, because we need the decimal, right? So 0.164, repeating. And then C, we had the decimal, which was 0.45. Oh, wait a minute. This is going to be... We need the here's the decimal. What am I doing? A we already had, so this goes up there. Okay, so then what would the percent be? It would be 16, oops, sorry. It would be 16 and 4 over 6 to 2/3. 16 and 2/3%. Okay, now, C, we had the decimal of 0.45, which just really means 45 over 100. So all we're going to do is reduce that. 5 goes in there 9 times. 5 goes in there 20 times. There you go. You can't reduce anymore. Now, if my decimal was 0.45, multiply times 100, what's that going to be for percent? 45%. Okay, oops, I'm circling wacky. All right, oh, 15. Okay, so evaluate all of this if m is 10 and y is 6. So I just rewrote it. So it would be 10 times 10 minus 10 times 6 minus 6 squared. All right, so let's figure that out. 10 times 10 would be 100 minus, well, what's 10 times 6? 60 minus, what's 6 squared? 36. All right, so let's do that a minute. You get a 5, you get a 4, you get a 2. So now I have 100 minus 24, and that is going to be 76. All right, so that would be my answer for that one, 76. 16 just has our 2/3 m equals 18. So this is multiplication, so we're going to divide, but since it's a fraction, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So 3 over 2. Can 2 go into 18? Yes, it can. How many times? 9. 9 times 3 is what? 27. Okay, so 2/3 of 27 is 18. Now we have addition. Something plus 3.4 is 7. So we are going to subtract. Watch, and I can even do it the algebraic way because I want to isolate n. So I could do n plus 3.4 minus 3.4 equals 7 minus 3.4. And I'm going to get 3.6. 3.6 plus 3.4 is 7. Oh, we're geniuses. All right, here we go. 3 3/4 divided by 1 2/3 plus 2 1/2. First of all, I need to make common denominators. The common denominator is going to be 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. What times 2? 3 times 2 was 6, so 3 times 1 is 3. So now I have 3 3/4 divided by this. I'm going to add that. So I'm going to get 3 7/6, which is really going to be what? 4 1/6. Now I'm going to make all of these improper. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So I got 15 over 4. Because I'm dividing, I have to multiply the reciprocal. So let's make this improper. That'd be 25 over 6, so we're going to go 6 over 25. Can 5 go in here? Yep, 3 times. Can 5 go in here? Yep, 5 times. Hey, can 2 go in here? Yep, twice. Can 2 go in here? You got it, 3 times. So we're going to get 9 over 10. Can I reduce that? Nope. So that is my answer. All right, we're almost done. Okay, they're going to want you to rewrite this for algebraic addition. All right, so we have -7 plus, put it in the bracket, negative, or the opposite of -4, plus -3. What's the opposite of -4? 4. So now I have -7 plus 4 plus -3. I'm going to put my negatives together, so that's -10 plus 4, which is really subtraction, and I'm going to get -6. Ta-la! And then this last one, okay, you're going to get a different shape next time, but it'll be just as easy. A rectangular piece of metal swings around a rod. As it spins, it sweeps through the space in the shape of, well, does it make a circle? No. Does it make a cone? No. Does it make a cylinder? Yes. Right? If this went all the way around, okay, so let's say we don't believe that. So bird's eye view, you have this and you have this piece of metal. And it's going to go around and around and around. It didn't make a ball, but it made a cone. Like this. Here's my metal. It's sweeping around. Here's the centerpiece, right? So it would be C, cylinder. All right, that's it. Study, study, study. And I will see you next class. See ya.